Happy Memorial Day, everyone. Happy Memorial Day. Remember, Monday is going to be a holiday. Here in the United States, we are going to be taking off on Monday to honor all those U.S. military personnel who has died serving the United States Armed Forces. So this usually happens on the last, on the last Monday of May of every year, and it was established sometime in the 68 to the 70s. So I just wanted to wish everyone, whoever is a military, a happy Memorial Day, and let's celebrate all those that has passed away serving the United States Armed Forces. Okay, so but welcome everyone, welcome to our Forex Weekly Forecast. What we're gonna be doing this week, guys, is we are gonna be doing the very first week of June. So this is gonna be from May 30th to June 3rd. Remember, May 30th is gonna be our Memorial Day. There will be a lot of pools open up, whoever those are living, you know, in apartments, living condominium and so on. There will be a lot of activity happening on Monday. So but welcome everyone. I'm super happy to be here to serve you and give you more data on our Forex Trading channel here with our Team with Irving channel. So today we're gonna go ahead and start with our very first pair of the week, which is USDCAD. Pay close attention what USDCAD. First thing first, guys, I always remember you that what is the first thing that you have to do? Always pay attention to your dashboard. Whatever your dashboard is telling you, you must follow those rules, because it's telling you here on this particular pair that every pair, every candle on USDCAD, it is selling. What's the next thing that you have to look? You need to look for our multiple time frame to go in the same direction of our TWE, which is here. And it's telling, look at the stairs, telling us that we are only doing one thing, and that is selling. That's everything match. The dashboard match, Team with Irving match, TWE match. Look at here, boom. And market is doing exactly as what you are seeing. Whoever is trading USDCAD and you are in profit, congratulations. This is my understanding for this coming week, guys. Market still has potential to come up on the very first week of June, coming up and retesting your mid 68 to your 78 Fibonacci level. Why that level? Because here's multiple time frame previously, so it's gonna come to this level here, and then from here we're gonna be seeing a pullback, to be honest. So let me correct this pullback, guys, because I feel like this pullback is gonna be it's gonna give you more pips. Gonna come to your 50 Fibonacci level, and then from your 50 Fibonacci level, market will continue selling as what it's supposed to do. Because remember, market here is only selling. Look at the stairs, look at the multiple time frame, look at the TWE, look at the dashboard, and look at everything, look at the drop. So the trend here is only selling. It's not, absolutely not doing anything else. If you guys do me a favor, if you guys are seeing something else that I'm not seeing, please let me know, and I will be more than happy to wrestle your question. If you want me to do a video on Monday, on Memorial Day, maybe a live streaming, let me know so I can teach you properly how to trade here on our Forex Trading market. All right, so that's one thing that I could do for you guys. But let me know in the comment below, guys. You guys can send me a Telegram. All the description is all the links are on the description of this video. So just send me a message. The next pair that I'm gonna give you today, guys, it is GBPUSD. Pay close attention to GBPUSD, guys. What is everybody doing on GBPUSD? Pay close attention to the dashboard. Boom, the dashboard is giving you the answer. Look at here, everything is telling me, hey, we are bullish. So if the market is bullish, what are you supposed to be doing? You're supposed to go with the trend. So if the trend is up, go up. If the market is selling, you need to be selling. But all right, so we already got the dashboard. The second step we need to look is we need to look for multiple time frames to match our TWE. Boom, bingo. Look at the stairs. Bingo, buy. Remember, when the market is selling, it's gonna give you red stairs, right? But look at here, look at the trend on GBPUSD. boom, it's going only in one damn direction. That is bullish, guys. Market on GBPUSD still bullish, guys. Guys, if you guys want this trend line here, this free indicator here, please let me know in the comment below, and I will give you this free indicator that it works very, very magically with our multiple time frame. Look, when I hit that trend line in there, it tells you it's a buy. When I hit this trend line in here, it tells you the market is getting ready for a sell, which is true. This is what I'm gonna be analyzing this week, guys. This is my understanding here. Remember, market here is still bullish. So all I can say is market still gonna be pushing another 15, 20, 30 more pip up. Then officially from here we are gonna be looking for a reversal. So the reversal is gonna come between your 38 to your 23 Fibonacci level, and then market, remember, don't forget the market is up, and the market will continue as it's supposed to be because the market here is bullish. So all we are gonna be doing the first week of May is that of June 2022 is that we are going to be doing a pullback. That's all I can see, guys. If you are seeing something else, please let me know, and we can do this together. All right, but so far so good. Hopefully you guys are finding value. Guys, let me do me a favor, guys. Let me know if you guys are finding value. Make sure you support the channel by giving us a thumbs up, because we're doing a lot of content. We're not charging you anything. So I always tell you, don't pay for signal, learn how to trade. Here on our Forex Trading channel, Team with Irving, we give you all this analysis for free, basically for free. All the people would charge you what, like $60, $120 a month just to give you what I'm giving you here for free. So pick, the coach that you want to get trained. All right, let me show you one of the most tradable pair in the world. That is gold. Who in here will be trading gold? Pay close attention to gold, guys. Gold, it is on fire. So look at the dashboard. The dashboard will not lie to you. The dashboard is telling you that, okay, look at that. One day is up, but everybody else is bearish. So remember, the higher time frame you go, the better off you're gonna get in the market, because that is the original direction of the market. So the higher time frame you go, better off you're gonna be. So one day is saying the market is bullish. So let's go ahead and check what is our multiple time frame doing with our dashboard. Look at here with our TWE. Look at here. Boom, it's saying that we are going where? We are going bullish. What's the next thing? The next thing is that we need to look for our TWEs confirming if that bullish it is true. So here's a green arrow confirming that we are up. Here's another green arrow confirming that we're still up. So in my understanding here, guys, this is what I'm seeing here. You know what? Let me correct this, because this is gonna be very nice. Let me correct this. So this is what I think the market will do, guys. So market here still gonna be pushing to your 38.2 Fibonacci level. So from here, market is gonna spike up. Boom. Dude, and look, guys, I'm doing this live with you right now. I'm updating it live with you. So market here is bullish, right? It's up. So it's getting ready for that drop. So at least we got here a heads up multiple time frame come in. Our 38.2 Fibonacci level. Look at here, previous touch it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm expecting the market to spike up and boom. This is what I'm seeing here, guys. I'm seeing the market's gonna spike up to your 38.2 Fibonacci. From there, market will make a reversal. This is a reversal. Remember, the buyers are in charge. All we're gonna be looking this week is for a reversal, coming back and retesting your 23 to your 0 Fibonacci level, which is gonna be your free. This is a free trend line that I can give it to you. As long as you comment below, let me know, hey Irvin, send me a message. My Telegram is on the description of this video. Send me a message and I will go ahead and give you this free indicator for you at no extra charge. Look at here, free. So market is gonna come to your mid trend line in here, then it will continue as a buy, make another small retrace. All right, so what do you guys think on gold? Does gold make sense to you? Let me know, guys. Let me know. I'm doing this for you guys. This is free forex trading. Guys, also I'm looking for idea how to improve our title on our video. I think forex trading weekly forecast and so on is coming like in the old school. So let me know what title should I come up, and I will be more than happy to give you a shout out as well. Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and analyze the next pair. The next pair that I'm gonna be giving you guys here, it is GBPJPY. Pay close attention to this. This pair here is on fire, guys. This pair here is still on fire. This is Friday. The market gave us a what? Look, guys. Once again, if you guys want to get this free trend line indicator here, please let me know and I will go ahead and give it to you. You can change color if you want. I have it on white. You can change it on yellow. You can change it on pink. You can change it on any color you want. I highly recommend you to mark it as a magenta, because magenta you can look it up very nicely on your chart. Okay. So all right, guys, so this is GBPJPY. Pay close attention to your dashboard. Everything here is telling us that we are going where? We are going up at this present time. But the original trend here, let me delete this. The original trend here, it is bearish. Here's our multiple time frame. Here's our TWE sniping entry. Look at the stairs. The stairs don't lie, guys. If you're telling me something else, then I don't know what I'm gonna be thinking about you. Look at here. Market here is solid. So what are we doing here? Look at the benefit of having this free indicator, guys. If you have it, if you want this, let me know. I'll give it to you. Okay. Look, multiple time frame came right at the bottom of the trend line in here. And then what did that represent? That represent a pullback. So market is giving us right now a pullback going against the original trend, which is bullish, right? So market, in my opinion, guys, yeah, market is gonna come back and retest your 50 to your 30th Fibonacci level. So that's what I put the I put the market may spike out there. Then from there we are gonna be continuing selling down. Don't forget, the sellers are in charge. We're just doing right now a pullback. Well, the month of May gave us a what? A pullback. And remember, guys, Monday it is a Memorial Day, so we here in United States it's a federal holiday. A lot of people take off. What are we gonna be doing, guys? We are gonna be honoring all those fallen soldiers that has served the United States Armed Forces. So this was they start celebrating this holiday back in the 1868, if I'm not wrong, to the 1970, something like that. So since then it was formed. So it has been for a very, very long time. So we need to, you know, thank all those military family spouses, all these are overseas serving and protecting our nation. So, and we need to honor as well those that has died serving the United States Armed Forces. Okay, I just want you to remind you that so you can be aware of that. All right, so let's move on to our next pair of the week, guys. The next pair that I'm gonna give you here is one of the most tradable pair in the world. The whole world trade EURUSD. Here we go. Look at this one. Boom, guys. One thing that I'm forgetting, which is very, very important. If I left any of your favorite pair, if I left it off, let me know. Send me a private telegram if you want, and I can make a short video so you can see the analysis on that particular pair, so we all can be in the same page. All right, so but here is EURUSD. Pay close attention to your dashboard. What is the dashboard saying? It's saying that everything here, it is bullish, is going up. So what is our next step? We need to be looking for our multiple time frame to go in the same direction of our TWE. Here it is, buy. And what is the market? What is the trend doing? The trend, it is going where? It's going up. So that means the market on EURUSD is still bullish. So we are on a brand new month. Remember, let me delete this. Remember, if you want to get this free indicator, let me know, this trend line indicator. You will love it. Look at here, multiple time frame came to this trend line in here, and they give us a what? They give us a buy position. Multiple time frame is coming to this trend line in here, so the market is getting ready for what? What do you think the month of the first week of June is gonna do on EURUSD? What do you think EURUSD is gonna be doing on the first week of June, guys? Remember, Monday is gonna be slow day. There will be no business on Monday. So what I'm seeing here is market is gonna spike up and give you another probably 15-20 more pip, which is nothing wrong, right? Because this is forming, is building up in this area here. It's building up. So what I'm seeing here is the market is getting ready for a sell position to retest your 50 Fibonacci level, or either can come to your 38. You know what? Let me correct this with you here live, because you deserve to get the best of the best. Remember, guys, I'm not giving you any signal, nothing like that. This is for educational purpose. I'm not your financial advisor, nothing like that. But all I can see here is the market still has potential to do a strong, very strong retracement, retesting your 38.2 to your 50 Fibonacci level, and then from there we are gonna continue going on that buy trend. What do you guys think so far, guys? What do you guys think? Make sure you guys support the channel, guys, by giving us a thumbs up. Let me know on the send me a message if you guys want me to help you out, guys. Hey, I can do any video you wish. So remember, we are here reviewing our Forex weekly forecast for the week of May 30th to June 3rd, 2022, and happy Memorial Day to everyone. Like I always say, guys, stay safe, protect your family at all time. Let's pray for what happened in Texas to all those innocent childs, and it's so sad to see what is going on. But I just want to thank you guys for being here. God bless you. God bless your family. God bless the world. And I will see you back on Monday. All right. So once again, guys, stay safe, and I love you guys. Peace out. Remember, let's trade with Team with Irving. Let's go. Bye bye.